Do you want to buy Bitcoin directly on your smartphone in only a few minutes? Then stay right here. Today, I'll walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin and sending it directly to your Blockstream Green wallet. If this is your first time buying Bitcoin or using a wallet, don't worry. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to getbittr.com and click on Buy Bitcoin. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. Once that's done, check your inbox for an email from Bittr and click on the verification link. With Bittr, you have no account or registration process. You buy Bitcoin simply with a bank transfer. Therefore, you need to enter the IBAN you want to use for that. After that, it's time to pick your wallet. Select Other Wallet from the options. Bittr will then prompt you to sign a message with your Green wallet. But before we get to that, let's set up your wallet first. Go to the app or Play Store and download Green Wallet. I've included the link in the description below. Once you've got the app installed, let's set it up. We'll create a new wallet. The app will now display your recovery phrase. These are the words you'll need to recover your wallet if anything happens to your device. This step is crucial, so make sure to carefully write down each word. Feel free to pause the video while you write them down. Once you're ready, click Next. In Green Wallet, you have to enter some of your words again. That is to make sure that you wrote down your words correctly and that you can restore your wallet in case of an emergency. After you've done that, just set a PIN to secure your wallet. And there you have it. Your wallet is all set up. Great job. Let's create an account now to continue. Choose the standard wallet option. Tap on Receive to see your Bitcoin address. Copy this address and then enter it on the Bittr website. Copy the message that Bittr shows you. We need it for the next step. Go back to Green Wallet and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to List of Addresses. Go to this little signature icon beside the first address. Paste the message you copied earlier and tap Sign Message. And there you go, the message is signed. Now, simply tap Copy Signature and head back to the Bittr website and paste it. Finally, click Verify. Bittr now asks you if you want to use an XPub or a single address. At this point in time, the Green Wallet doesn't come with the feature of showing the XPub, so the only option we have is to choose Use Single Bitcoin Address. And that's it. Bittr will now display all the details you need for your bank transfer. Just remember to use your personal payment description. Every time you send money with this description to Bittr, Bitcoin will be automatically sent to your Green Wallet. Let's just quickly head over to the banking app and check how it works. Enter the name, the IBAN, and the amount you want to convert it into Bitcoin. You can set up an instant payment to receive your Bitcoin in super fast time or a recurring bank transfer to set up an automated Bitcoin savings plan. I'm choosing a monthly payment so I can just sit back and relax. Don't forget your personal payment reference. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy buying Bitcoin and stacking sats with your new Green Wallet.